Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. All of us who grow flowers always hope that our orchid plants will remain healthy, lush green, and especially bloom with brilliant flower clusters. To care for orchid plants so they always grow steadily and produce many beautiful flowers like these. Today I will continue sharing with you a very simple organic fertilizer formula with ingredients that are extremely easy to find. When used correctly, this organic fertilizer will help orchid plants grow healthier, stimulate bud formation, and support larger and more abundant blooms. Not only that, the flowers will also maintain their color longer and stay on the branches for a longer time, helping the plant always remain vibrant and full of vitality. And before starting today's video, if you love useful orchid and ornamental plant care tips like these, do not forget to subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any new videos whenever we upload them. To make today's fertilizer, you need to prepare onions, a familiar ingredient found in every household. Normally, when using onions, we peel away the dry outer skin and throw it away without using it. However, very few people know that this onion skin, which seems worthless, actually contains many nutrients beneficial for orchid plants. Onion skins contain natural minerals such as potassium and calcium, along with many antioxidant compounds that help support healthier plant growth. When used correctly, these onion skins can help stimulate root development, support better nutrient absorption, while also helping the leaves stay green and healthy, and increasing the flowering ability of Phalaenopsis orchids. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After peeling off the onion skins, I will use scissors to cut all of the onion skins into small pieces and place them into a clean glass cup. Cutting the onion skins into small pieces helps the nutrients inside release more easily and quickly when soaked with hot water, thereby making the solution richer in nutrients and more effective when used for orchid plants. Next, I will add about 500 milliliters of hot water. Hot water helps the beneficial minerals and compounds inside the onion skins extract more quickly into the water, creating a natural organic fertilizer that is very beneficial for Phalaenopsis orchids. Cover the lid and steep the solution until the water cools completely before use. After 3 hours, when the water has cooled completely, I will filter out and discard the onion skins. Next, I will dilute the solution with about 1.5 liters of clean water. Dilution is a very important step because the solution soaked from onion skins contains a fairly concentrated amount of nutrients. If used directly at too high a concentration, orchid plants, especially young roots or weakened plants, can easily suffer from nutrient shock or root burn. Method 1. First, I will pour this solution into a small cup. Then use soft cotton to gently absorb the solution and evenly wipe all the orchid leaves. Wiping the leaves with onion skin solution not only helps provide a natural source of nutrients directly through the leaf surface, but also helps clean away dirt, residue, and impurities accumulated on the leaves after a long period of care. When the leaves become cleaner and more airy, the orchid plant will photosynthesize more effectively, thereby helping the leaves become greener, thicker, and develop more steadily over time. During the wiping process, you should gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, especially the underside, where many stomata are concentrated to help the plant exchange air and absorb moisture more effectively. In addition, the natural nutrients from onion skins also help support stronger plant resistance, helping the leaves become shinier and healthier, while limiting weakness in nutrient-deficient orchid plants. Please note that you should only use a soft cloth or soft cotton and perform the process gently to avoid scratching the leaf surface, especially for young leaves that are still thin and weak. Method 2. Pour the solution into a mist spray bottle, then lightly spray evenly onto the leaves and around the entire orchid plant. The mist spray form helps the solution evenly adhere to the leaf surfaces, stems, and even exposed roots, helping the plant absorb nutrients in a gentler and more natural way. Besides supplying nutrients, mist spraying also helps maintain humidity around the plant, which is very important for Phalaenopsis orchids, especially during hot, dry weather, or when the plant is developing roots and flower buds. The most suitable time for spraying is in the early morning or cool afternoon, when the temperature is not too high. This helps the plant absorb nutrients better and limits rapid evaporation under sunlight. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 3. I will water the solution directly around the base of the orchid plant, mainly focusing on the root system and growing medium area so the plant can absorb nutrients most effectively. When watering, you should not use too much. For each orchid base, I only use about 7 to 10 tablespoons of solution like this, which is enough to provide nutrients for the plant. Phalaenopsis orchids are very sensitive to moisture levels and nutrient concentration. Therefore, excessive watering does not help the plant grow faster, but instead can easily cause waterlogging, root suffocation, and fungal diseases. Using a moderate amount helps the root system absorb nutrients gradually and more steadily, while limiting the risk of fertilizer shock or root burn, especially for plants that are producing young roots or preparing to bloom. After watering, you should place the plant in a well-ventilated area with gentle light so the root system can function better and help the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during development. Finally, place the plant in cool and airy locations with gentle light and good air circulation. Phalaenopsis. Orchids love airy environments with stable humidity. So after fertilizing, you should not place the plant in locations that are too hot or under direct sunlight for long periods. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Results. After being cared for using this method, my orchid plants developed strongly and changed noticeably day by day. You can see many new roots growing out, with thick green root tips. This is a sign showing that the plant is absorbing nutrients well and recovering extremely effectively. A healthy root system is the most important foundation, helping orchid plants maintain long-term vitality. For plants that previously developed slowly, you will begin seeing new young shoots emerging. Some orchid pots even produce new flower spikes, growing upward strongly. This shows that the plant has completely recovered and is ready to enter the next flowering season. Every blooming flower is the result of gentle but proper care. This simple method not only helps orchid plants become healthier, but also brings clear changes to your entire garden. As long as you remain patient, the plant will always respond with brilliance and vitality. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using onions or familiar kitchen ingredients to care for your orchid plants? Please share your experience in the comments section. I would really love to hear stories from your garden. If you found this video useful, do not forget to press like, share, and subscribe to the Wonder channel, so you will not miss simple but effective plant care secrets in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next Green Journeys.